This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable gloves, specifically these Serve Secure TPE gloves. These are a black TPE hybrid plastic, and I have the gloves here in small. You can see they come in a lovely little dispenser box that makes them easy to pull out when needed. And these gloves are both powder and latex free. They're made of TPE polyplastic, which is both flexible and durable. And they're a great alternative to latex, especially for those with allergies. They're powder-free as well, making them perfect for food service. And we have the smalls here, but they're also available in medium, large, and extra large, giving you a great range of options. And I would say they're pretty true to fit. If I'm going with latex gloves, I normally wear a small as well. So these are a nice fit for these gloves. The polyhybrid blend plastic gloves are also easy to remove. They're ideal for cleaning or food prep and service. These eco-friendly gloves are recyclable as well, which is fantastic, and the black color will effortlessly complement your other protective supplies and go with your uniforms. They're perfect for a variety of food establishments, including restaurants, cafes, barbecue stands, food trucks, caterers, and more.